My name is Seth Krchmar. I'm the National Director of Personal Property at Invoke Tax Partners in the Atlanta office. At Invoke Tax Partners, our approach to pursuing business personal property tax includes working proactively versus reactively. During the proactive return review process, we are looking at both obsolescence and clerical opportunities, both of which can be embedded proactively within the business personal property returns. We believe it's imperative to complete site inspections to uncover a number of different valuation issues, including idle assets, ghost assets, obsolescence, and inventory issues, which can be embedded within the returns proactively and offer savings in the current tax year. In addition, we work proactively with the local jurisdictions to embed any potential savings within the returns and resolve this informally before the assessment notices are reached. Based on our regional expertise and working proactively at Invoke, we are always attempting to seek the most advantageous value reduction proactively for our clients as possible. While conducting site inspections at Invoke Tax Partners, we take a look at a number of issues and do a thorough review to ensure the assessments are applied correctly. We coordinate the site inspection with the local personnel to review for a number of valuation issues, including duplicate taxation, idle assets, obsolescence, inventory, just to name a few. Site inspection is an integral part of the review process as we're able to physically inspect the assets and interview local personnel who are familiar with the assets on a day-to-day basis. Overall, each state taxes personal property a little bit different, so it's important to have somebody with local expertise and knowledge of the jurisdiction to ensure the assets are reported by the statutory guidelines. Overall, we feel at Invoke Tax Partners, we have the local expertise, we have the opportunity and ability to do a thorough review, leaving no stone unturned. During the fixed asset inventory process at Invoke, we are scheduling site inspections, meeting with local personnel, and physically inspecting the assets to identify what is commonly known as ghost assets. Ghost assets are assets that are physically on the records, but no longer physically on site at the local facilities. During the site inspection process, we are often able to uncover various valuation issues, including idle assets, abnormal wear and tear, reclassification issues, real versus personal property duplicate taxation, and other items which result in significant tax savings. During the site inspection, any issues that we find that are clerical in nature, we may be able to find an opportunity to file amended returns and seek refunds for prior years, depending on the statute of limitations in the jurisdiction. Overall, we find that our clients save significant money the first year, realize as a benefit in future years for the life cycle of the asset. At Invoke Tax Partners, we find considering obsolescence is often overlooked during the valuation process of the fixed assets. When filing the personal property returns, the clerical process of putting figures on paper is only a small portion of the equation in coming up with fair market value. For these reasons, we suggest the taxpayer go through, and it is imperative to look at multiple valuation issues such as excess operating costs, overcapacity issues, idle assets, abnormal wear and tear, to ensure that all obsolescence opportunities that are warranted are taken advantage of. Our approach is different at Invoke Tax Partners, where we take a look at all these issues, interview local personnel, identify the data points, and present to the local jurisdictions proactively the potential opportunities to save money.